Will this hydraulic pressure crush the bomb, or will blast in the machine? Or will this axe which destroys anything can destroy a car? Or what would happen if we put grenade into a safe? Well, here are 5 crazy experiments ever seen. Number 5 is hydrophobic material. This is a type of material which doesn't get dirty even if you try several times to make it dirty. As you can see in the video, one person is wearing normal clothes and one is wearing hydrophobic clothes, and the one with hydrophobic clothes doesn't get dirty or not even a stain, and the person wearing normal clothes is covered with dirt. Number 4 experiment is axe versus car. So let's see what would happen if we put a car under a big axe. So first the cylinder was put under the axe, and as you can see all the gas came out and the cylinder is in 2 pieces. So a car was put under the big axe, and as you can see the car is crushed badly. Number 3 is hydraulic press versus Bernard. So as you know, hydraulic pressure crushes everything even if it is the strongest material. This pressure can even crush a hammer which is used to crush or join something. But under the hydraulic pressure, it is tasting its own medicine. So some little candles were kept under the pressure, and as you can see how the candles are coming out of it, and also a bunch of papers were kept under the pressure. But as you can see, the papers were stuck to each other's like gum and they were not coming out. So a grenade was put under the pressure, and as you can see it got blasted in the machine. Number 2 is handmade giant matchboxes. So this matchbox is a real handmade matchbox made with a large wood and applying the same method used for making a normal matchsticks and also make a large matchbox. And as you can see the matchbox lights up just like a normal stick and also is very flammable. And the last is the shredder machine, which can crush anything into small pieces. And when an iPhone was put in it, then it was crushed very badly and the battery was also ruined. So that's it for our video.